Hey guys, it's Chris and today we have the Shopkins Season 1. And there's two hidden Shopkins below the basket. And now let's open it. Okay, have you opened this? The two baggies. I already opened it. Let's see who it is. It's gonna be. It's Redhead. Her Shopkins friends is over behind her. She likes to go for her friends. And also a checking list. Let's see if it's already different. Oh, it isn't. It's just the same. Just the same. See? Just the same as the other one I have. There's two. And now let's open up the next one. To open up the next one and I'll see who it is. It's gonna be Pineapple Crush! Pineapple Crush! And I found her right here. This is she. Here she is. Here you go. Let's add her to her friends.
This one.
Yes, you will start opening the next one. They're all grouped up together. They're all grouped. Thank you. I just gonna get these two baggies out. And now something different here.
What's that?
You see in the checking list.
Oh, it's very cute. It's a whip.
Here,
Yeah.
you see who her name is. Here's
Oh, it's Dolaps. Can you see, baby?
Look, there's a
Oh,
shaker
yeah.
in her hand. Look.
Yes, like this.
And I will open the next one. Who is it? It's a lollipop! Look, it's a lollipop. See? It's a lollipop.
Oh, she's very cute.
And another
She has a bow
checking
in his
list.
head.
And another checking list. Let's see who she is in here. I see. Here is Lollipoppins. You see? And her best friend. And let's put her here. Her best friend here.
Okay,
And
let's go to another basket.
And the next one is the last one.
Yes.
Let's see if it's spilt milk. If it's
You
spilt,
wish.
I
It's
wish-
spill milk.
I wish spilt milk. I wish in the sky. It's spilt milk. I wish milk. What's here? I'll open this.
Have again a checklist.
Okay, I just gonna open it.
Give the mommy. It's open na.
Here.
that? Wow, so awesome.
He has a guitar.
Yeah.
So like,
Whose name is this?
you see in the this rocky broccoli. It's put into lollipoppins, and I will open the next one. Okay, popping out. Oh, the other side is the popping up. It's something. I wear one.
What's this? Wow, it's so cute. Whose name is this?
You see in the checking list again. And here's Candy Cotton. See, she's so sparkly as this one. They're twins. They look like exactly the same. They're sparkly. Let's put her behind here. Two bubbles. And apple blossom. Here she is. Now, well guys, that's all.
Oh, the last one.
Yes, it's gonna be the last one. I hope it's spilled milk. I wish it spilled milk. You see, and I hope we get lipstick. A lipstick. I hope we get a lipstick.
Lipstick? You like a lipstick?
Yes, because redhead likes the lipstick. Here we go.
Oh, here we go.
And another checking list. Here we go, checking. Oh, Mommy. I fall down. There's so many of them. There's 2 hidden Shopkins. First, I'll open this. Ooh, it can be something. You see, it's spilled.
Whoa, what's that?
I don't see. I hope it's not spilled. It's something orange in the top.
Whoa, wow, so cute. Whose name is this one?
It's checked in the checking list here.
Okay.
That is a checking list. I'll show you where she is. There's Natty Butter. See?
So cute.
Yes, yes,
It's a butter here and a spoon.
And the last one, I know it's something beautiful. I hope it's a lipstick. I hope it is lipstick.
What's that?
It's another thing. Look, they're twins.
Wow, what's name is that nga anak?
See in the checking list. You already know it. Here's Dollops with her best friend Lolly Poppins. Here we go. Now, there we go. 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 Here we go. Bubbles. Apple blossom. Rock, paper, holly. Here you go.
Oh, you have many Shopkins?
Yes, it's, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.